Hey everybody, I'm Nick with Faithful Disaster Restoration here in Billings, Montana. We just got done with a week-long training from Nisa and Kevin Coy with Firehouse contents training. If you're on the fence or you're considering trying to better your content division, this is a must. The amount that we have taken away just this week alone that we can implement immediately is going to make a huge difference in our systems and processes. It's amazing the amount of knowledge that both of these people bring to the table. Not only that, we feel like they're family now. I would absolutely recommend these guys. This course is straight up legit. The amount of stuff that you're going to learn and be able to implement and make back is going to be tenfold. The amount of time you're going to cut, the amount of money you're going to save from doing it a strategic way is amazing. One of the biggest things that we took away from this week was just being able to learn how to process stuff quicker and in a timely fashion, and how you have your whole content processing center set up really can affect all that. So again, it's been a great week for my team. We were happy to have these guys out and won't hesitate to call them and possibly bring them back out for a refresher down the road when we get maybe a big fire that's something that's huge. We'll consider bringing them out to help us make sure we are taking what we learned this week and doing everything correctly. Help us, Nisa Coy, you're our only hope. That actually would be
You
really
videotaping that, because that was awesome.
Gilbert. I'm with Faithful Disaster Restoration. We just went through the course with Firehouse and learned a lot about contents. Really very helpful from Anissa and Kevin who helped us out here. Definitely had a lot to work on while we were here and learned a lot. I'm brand new to the industry, learning a lot from her as far as what we need to do as a company. Also dealing with the billing and how to do that has been very, very helpful. Greatest experience we've had, hands down, as far as the training, that personal touch they put into it, helping us out, and we really appreciate everything they've done for us. So I recommend them 100%. They've helped us a lot, and we plan on putting this into the workforce and be able to do the best we can on our jobs and helping other people as well.
Hi, my name is Jeremy, and I've taken the Firehouse Education course, which I highly recommend to anybody who's going to be doing any fire content cleaning. They take you through the steps from the initial pack out and inventory to using the ultrasonic machine to help clean contents, which contents should be cleaned, which contents should be dry cleaned, much what to do for structure cleaning. It was all very helpful, and hopefully from here on out I'll have a better understanding of how to do it.